Here's my warning. Do not mistake this for takeout. This spiced honey chicken is going to blow your mind. It is so good and easy enough to make for a weeknight meal. Looks incredible, doesn't it? Close up. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Well, let's get started. So you're going to cut your chicken up into bite-sized pieces. Then you're going to marinate it with sesame oil, garlic powder, and salt. Try to let it marinate overnight if you possibly can. The longer it marinates, the more flavorful and tender it will be. All of the ingredients for the spiced honey glaze go in the pot at the same time. Honey, water, sugar, 5-spice powder, dried orange peel, and a little lemon juice. Give it a good stir and then put it over medium heat and let it come to a low boil and reduce while you're cooking the chicken. So for this recipe, I'm browning the chicken in the pan, and I've cut it up because it cooks a little faster, which is great for a weeknight meal. However, if you prefer to put it in the oven and bake it, you can do that, or you could even leave it whole and put it on the grill and then slice it after it's been cooked. Either way, just make sure you don't overcook it because nobody likes dried out chicken. Once your chicken is all cooked, then you're going to pour on the warm spiced honey glaze. Just make sure that it coats the chicken on all sides and you're ready to eat. So here you can see the spiced honey chicken. I paired it with some cauliflower fried rice. You could also use regular rice, or you could use some maybe rice noodles and some steamed vegetables, but however you pair it, it's the chicken that's gonna be the star of the show. And of course, you can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.